Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have a bit of a different video. I want to document my hair growth journey. So I bought some items and we will have a bit of a video series. So as you can see, I do have thin straight hair. It is pretty oily and it is bleached. This is also the length of my hair. I did measure from the back of my hair and it is 44 centimeters, but I'm gonna ask my boyfriend to measure it, maybe be a bit more precise, just to be clear, and I'm gonna put the number right here. So I'm filming this on the 10th of May, so we can see the results and just see if my hair will look better, because I do have, as example, I don't know if I will be able to cover it, but right here I do have a patch of not really missing hair. I do have, I don't know, in here is like my hair is going different directions, but I would like some hair right here. So let's film that a bit, and then I would like my hair to be longer. I did also count the number of products that I own, all the sprays, shampoos, dry shampoos and stuff like that, and I have 20 products, and that's a bit too much. I have these 3 products as example that I would like to finish up. This is almost done. It is a thickening spray. I have this one that is giving some volume, and then the hairspray. These 2 products I will not repurchase for sure, because I would like my hair to be a bit voluminous on its own, and I want to use less products. So let's start with the haul. I bought these 2 to replace the Olaplex product, because I found out that the Olaplex conditioner is way too strong. It was making my hair gray, and I don't want gray hair. I want light blonde hair. So I bought these 2 just to test them out. This is almost done. It is the shampoo and I really like it, but I decided to test the conditioner as well, and they both are really nice, and overall I do enjoy them more because they are not as strong. But I still own the normal conditioner from Olaplex. That is my absolute favorite product from Olaplex. It is the OG product, but it is the best. So I do own that, and I wanted to mention just like a quick update, because I did mention in the past that I love the Olaplex shampoos, and it is still true, but I prefer as a purple option these from Moroccanoil. Then let's talk about the product that I bought actually for growing my hair. So first of all, I bought this one. I have oily hair, so usually I am afraid of any type of oils, but I was reading about this product and you are supposed to use this one on your roots, and I did use it like 2 times already, and it is not making my hair look oily, so I am so excited. This is the ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density. So this is made for just growing your hair and to combat hair loss and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try my best to use this one daily, and we will see if it helps. Then from Moroccanoil, I did purchase this one. I did taste it in the past and I knew that it is pretty nice. It is the Moroccanoil treatment for fine and light colored hair. I want also to hydrate my ends a bit better. They are not really dry. They look pretty good, I would say, overall. And they are pretty shiny. So I'm pretty happy with my hair overall. But I want to hydrate it better. So this will help with that part. And also, and I used this one once, and it is really great. My hair is very silky, and it was detangling a lot, but a lot more easily. So I saw a big difference with this one. This is the L'Oreal Pro Longwear Professional Mask, and this is made again for making your hair longer and hydrating the ends and stuff like that, because of course the hair is growing from the roots, but at the same time, if your ends are very dry, they will snap off and the hair obviously will not be too long. As well, throughout this series I would like to try different techniques, like massaging the roots, because I am not applying products like this usually. And also I bought another product. It is not counted in those 20 products. Those are just sprays and treatments and stuff like that. This is something a bit different. I am not a big lover of pills in general. Sure, it is great to take vitamins, and this is practically vitamins, so that's the reason I want to take it as well. It is a French brand that is doing this one, and it is pretty popular in Romania also. It is Forcapil, but this in general contains different type of vitamins: vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin B8, B9, and some other type of vitamins and stuff like that that are known for helping with the growth of your hair and your nails also. So I want to take this as well, just to help. I am really curious to see how much I can grow my hair. I know that it is pretty normal for the hair to grow like 1 centimeter or 0.8, something around that, for a month. So I want to just calculate that and see if it is true, or if my hair is growing slower, faster, or something like that. And also I want to mention that I just chopped my hair just a bit, the ends, on my own, so they are not perfect, and I did chop a very tiny amount just to give it like a bit of a refresh. You are supposed to cut your hair every 3 months, but I would like to take better care of my ends and chop them at 6-point mark. That's my goal, so we will see. I'm excited about this. I really want to grow my hair, and I think it will be very interesting. Please let me know if you have any tips. I would not like to use homemade masks. I put some eggs in my hair in the past when I was in high school and stuff like that. I have a million products in here, so I don't want to do that. But other type of tricks I am open to and curious. Please let me know about your hair journey. I'm so excited about this video series. So if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.